Is this GoGroove camera backpack the best bag on the market for beginner photographers? Let's find out. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is my kitchen. I'm John Moore. This, I have to read it off Amazon because it's a very long title for this thing. It is the GoGroove full-size DSLR photography backpack case for camera and laptop. I gotta catch a breath, I'm blown up here. With 15.6 inch laptop space, accessory storage, tripod holder, another break, long-lasting durability, and weatherproof rain cover in red. That's a heck of a title. Anyway, I've had this backpack for 2 years. It's the first main camera backpack I've ever had, and I'm moving on to another one. Aww. So sad. And I'm gonna give like 2 years review of this bag. First thing, the thing that I know everybody wants to know about an actual camera bag: how much stuff can go in this pouch. Open it up. You can see in here, well used. It can fit all of this stuff here. This is a Sigma 50-500. This is a camera body. It's my film body because I'm filming on my DSLR. This is an 80-200, and this is a Sigma 12-24 lens, and it can also fit the 12. It can also fit the 24-105 lens that I'm filming on right now. All that can go in here. You connect the DSLR to this, goes in here. 80-200 can go here, and the two other zoom lenses can go down here. That's what can go down here. Solid bag. It can fit most likely everything you want. I'm having to upgrade because I want to actually be able to have two bodies in here, and there's not enough room for two bodies if I want to have the two zooms. And I want to have the two zooms because they're good for different things. Second, let's look up here at this pouch. This top compartment, nice size. I'll show the dimensions on the screen. And for me, what I want to do is I want to be able to basically carry my lunch with me. And this, big enough to put your sandwiches, and you can put some other stuff. You can put a flash in here if you have a remote shutter release, microphones, whatever you need. They can all fit right in here. A little small storage compartment here. If you need to put your keys in here, they can all go up here, and it zips down. Side compartment over here for your little small needs if you need them. Right here in the front, we have something like an envelope sleeve. I'm not sure what's here because it's not extremely secure. So I don't believe I would put anything that's very valuable in there. Here on the back, that's your laptop compartment. Laptop can go right in there. And finally, the last feature of the bag. I was going to say something else there, but I'll get to that in a second. Last feature of the bag. This is your tripod holder. So, overall, I think this is a pretty good bag. Especially, it's $69 right now on Amazon if you want the red one. If you want the black one, it's actually only $60. I'm not trying to sell one, but you'll see. It's not a perfect bag. And then obviously here's the straps. You know, they work well. They're not extremely padded, but they're padded well enough for what you need. And it does have a strap that can go around your waist if you need it. Although it's not exactly a hip belt like you'd find on a full-size backpack that's going to really transfer the load down. It's just there to sort of give you some stability. Now, some of the negatives about the bag, those are the positives about the bag. This thing right here, you see this is missing. It's supposed to look like this. This one's missing. I lost it maybe a month after I got the bag, and so I've just been dealing with it like this, because this is not, it's not very secure. You can see I can just push it out and now it's gone. And I believe that's what happened when I was using the bag. Same thing with these down here. These are the exact same things. So they are there. Another thing that's a big negative, this part right here broke, the tie down, but I feel like that's just something regular, like is gonna happen. This right here is where the strap is supposed to be to hold your tripod up here on the top. It's not fastened by anything, like there's not a rivet or anything in here, so it just hangs. So if it's in there and you just unbuckle your tripod and you don't immediately buckle the strap back, it could just fall out. And that's what happened to me. That's why it's not here. That's a negative that I see in the bag. I wish they could put just a small rivet in here, and I think that would work. This is fine, depending on how big your tripod is. You can put 2 legs in and have the 1 leg out, or you can put both legs in. I have a Manfrotto tripod, and both legs can go in just fine. And other than that, that is about it as far as the bag goes. It's very comfortable. You can see it on me. Now obviously there's no weight in here right now, but this is how it fits me. I'm 5'11", and so you can determine how big it is if you think it's for you. Now, here's the catch, or maybe even not a catch, maybe it's just here. Would I recommend somebody get this? Well, yeah, actually I would. There are negatives. It's not perfect. No bag is going to be perfect, but this bag is a $60 bag, and it's lasted me for 2 years. And really the only reason I'm getting another one, I mean, I am getting some wear down here. That's not uncommon. Bags wear. That's where it rubs right on my belt. And so the fabric has worn through. There's a plastic piece down here and it rubs between the plastic and my back, my belt. And so that's what caused that. And there's this. But yeah, I mean, this is a solid bag. It's lasted me for 2 years, and I just wanted to upgrade to something a little bit bigger. And so that's what we have. But you know, generally this is a very nice bag, and hopefully it'll work. So if you do want one, if you're looking into one, I think it's a solid bag if this is the kind of thing you're looking for. Obviously, listen, if you're in the market for the big Suka bag from F-Stop or something like that, no, you're not looking. You're not looking at one of these bags. But if you're sort of new to photography and been doing it for a year or something, this is a solid bag, works really well. And with that, that's the end of this. I appreciate you watching all my videos. If you like this, please like, please subscribe. I know everybody says that. I'd really appreciate it, and that's real. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again on the next one.